Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you're doing well. Are you enjoying the beginning of your summer? Well, I guess not everybody's having summer, but I know they're having summer in Europe and definitely here in the US. I know I have a lot of international viewers and maybe some of you are having the opposite season. But summer is one of my favorite times because that's when bead subscriptions come up with ocean themed beads. And today we're going to be opening up Sam's Bead Box for the month of June. And I know it's going to be ocean themed, so I'm very excited about that. It's probably going to get me in the mood to go to the beach, and then I won't have any time to design jewelry. And that's a little warning, guys, because I am going to go to the beach this season. I'm not sure when, but I'll probably go near the end of the summer sometime. But anyway, guys, if you're not familiar with Sam's Bead Box, I'll leave a link to the website down below, along with a little bit of information. And if you're new and you think you might like my content, please think about subscribing to my channel. Not only will you enjoy unboxing videos, but you'll also see some tutorials. Whenever I open a box, I always try to make something with the contents of that box. So anyway, please think about subscribing if you haven't done so already. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and see what's in this month's box. And here we have Sam's Bead Box for the month of June. As you can see, the name of the box is Below the Waves, and I can hardly wait to see what's in it. So let's go ahead and open it up. Let's take a look. It says, over a decade ago, my family visited the Great Barrier Reef in Australia. And oh my goodness, that's where I grew up. I actually lived in Brisbane for many years, and I would go to Surfers Paradise very often. But let me keep reading. It says, we stayed on Heron Island, which was surrounded by astonishingly clear waters and a vibrant coral reef. I remember feeling shocked when a turtle swam right past me while snorkeling on the first day. It was something out of a Pixar movie. Stingrays were also common in the area, particularly during high tide in the morning. Rachel, who was much braver than I, would willingly and excitedly wake up early to swim alongside them. I was content to stay on shore when they were nearby. The entire reef was like a living canvas, amazingly rich with marine life. Getting to snorkel around Heron Island was an experience Rachel and I will never forget. For our June theme, we are taking a peek below the waves with a palette inspired by coral reefs. Inside you'll find bright hues, specialty mixed glass, and multi-tone finishes that paint a shimmering underwater landscape. Some of my personal favorites include the flashy labradorite, two-tone melon drops, and a collection of Greek sea-themed metals. I hope you'll share what you make in Gem Chat with hashtag SamSpeedboxJune 2023. Can't wait to see what you make. Well, how awesome is that? On this side is a list of all the contents, as you can see. They always give you the retail value of the whole box, which is $89. Plus they give you the pricing for each item on the side there. So that's really good information to have. And guys, if you missed out on getting this box, they actually do sell extra boxes on their website, as well as some extras from the box. I'll leave the link down below in the description section so you can go check it out. Well, knowing that the inspiration came from the coral reef makes me super excited to see what's in this box. And here's some candy. Let me pull it out. And look at these beautiful colors, guys. Oh my goodness. What a stunning collection of colors. I'm so impressed. I know I'm going to love this collection. Let me pull them out. I don't think I've ever seen so much color in my whole life. These items are so gorgeous. There are so many pretty colors in this collection. Let me get organized and we'll go through each one. And here we have the strands. As you can see, there's a total of 7. And I am so in love with these colors, guys. These are magnificent colors, they really are. I get so much inspiration when I see colorful beads like this. Let's take a look at this gorgeous strand of labradorite. Look at the beautiful flash in these beads. These are absolutely amazing. They're Indian cut labradorite faceted rondelles, and they measure between 7 and 9 millimeters. And this is a 3.5-inch strand. But oh my goodness, I am so impressed by the flash in these beads. I've gone to a lot of gem shows here in my area, and I rarely see this much flash unless they're very high quality and very expensive. These are absolutely stunning. I love these. Labradorite is one of my favorite stones. It's so beautiful. Let's take a look at these now. These are Druck rounds. They're Czech glass beads. They're 8 millimeters in size, and there are 16 in the strand. And the color is ocean glow, and you can see why. They really do look like they glow. So pretty. Now the description does say that there's some dimpling, but I'm not really seeing any dimpling at all. But that doesn't mean that you won't see any on your strand. In any case, I really don't care because these are so gorgeous. I absolutely love that color, or that effect. I guess I am seeing a little dimple on that one right there. But sometimes those kinds of imperfections make a piece look more organic or more natural. Let's take a look at these beautiful melon beads. I love the color of these beads. It's a two-tone color effect, purple and fuchsia, and these measure 8 by 13 millimeters, and there are 8 in the strand. Very, very pretty. I love these. Aren't these gorgeous? I love that two-tone effect. And they coordinate really well with this strand right here. Let's take a look at it. These are 5 polished faceted rounds. It's the same color effect, purple and fuchsia, and these measure 8 millimeters, and there are 16 in this strand. Can you see making a pair of earrings using these beads and these rounds? I certainly can. And these beads seem to have a lot of little facets. I don't know if you can see that. And those little facets really make them sparkle a lot. So pretty. And here we have some more gemstones. This is strawberry quartz, and they're faceted heart brios. They measure 8 by 10 millimeters, and there are 12 in the strand. Aren't these cute? They're so cute. I like that there's variation in the color. And once again, these facets are absolutely gorgeous. It really makes them sparkle a lot. I love these. Very pretty. Let's take a look at this one now. And boy, do these glow. These really glow a lot. It's amazing. These are mermaid glass quartz smooth rounds, and the color is ocean mix. They measure 8 millimeters in size, and this strand is between 8.5 and 9 inches long. So there are quite a few beads here. These are so pretty, guys. Look at this. Look at all the colors and the beautiful flash. Oh my gosh. I'm going to have so much fun with these beads. I love these. Let's take a look at this one now. These are melon beads, and the color is orange coral crystal mix. They measure 6 millimeters in size, and the description says that there's slight freeform shaping and some air bubbles. But once again, I love to have imperfections sometimes. I think it makes a jewelry piece look more interesting. These are so pretty though, aren't they? I can definitely see that orange coral color, but I can also see like a yellowish color. Very pretty. Let me get some more beads. Here are the next 4 items. As you can see, there's lots of variety. Let's take a look at these oval beads. These are Art Deco oval beads, and the color is orange coral mix, and they measure 12 by 16.5 millimeters. They look almost like candy. They look delicious, don't they? We've had Art Deco oval beads before, and I really love that Art Deco design. Very, very nice. Now these came in one bag. There's a mix of 5 polished beads in that dark sapphire color. And then we have those beautiful ammonite beads. Let's take a look at the blue ones. Here are some of them. It's not all of them. These are really interesting looking. I love that shape. They look like little cones, but with a spiral design on them. And the faceting on these is really pretty. Beautiful shades of blue like the ocean. I love it. Let's take a look at these. Aren't these cute? These are so cute. I love the color and I love this effect. It's called Stone Picasso. Very, very pretty. They almost look like they're real, don't they? Very, very nice. Let's take a look at these now. These are laser etched beads, and as you can see, one has a seahorse design and the other one has a turtle design. This one's very metallic looking, whereas this one's kind of matte, but the turtle design has a little bit of sheen. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. Maybe if I turn it like this, you might be able to see it. I love the color of these beads. Definitely ocean themed. And here we have some peanut beads. Here's a very small amount. There's actually a lot right there. There's a total of 18 grams. And these are so cute. I love using peanut beads. These are silver lined and the color is ocean mix. And they measure 3 by 6 millimeters. They're kind of small, but they're a lot of fun to use. I love to stack them on a strand, but they also make great earrings. And I can see at least 4 colors: aqua, sapphire, green, and clear. It's a very beautiful mix. It really is. I'm in love with this collection. I know I'm going to have a lot of fun. Let me bring out some more beads. Here we have some more beautiful beads. I am so impressed with all these colors. I know I keep saying that, but they really did a great job of creating this box this month. Let's take a look at these cute fish. These are so adorable. Oh my gosh. They look like so much fun. And I love the color and I love that coating on one side. It's so pretty. They measure 11 by 24 millimeters and the color is aqua and sapphire AB. As you can see, 2 of them are sapphire and 2 of them are aqua. And this side of the fish does not have the AB. The AB is on one side only. I'm going to have to think about what to do with these. I think I might just make a pair of earrings. They're so cute. Let's take a look at these oval beads. These are actually crackle beads, and this is the first time that I've ever seen oval-shaped crackle beads. All the crackle beads that I've seen have always been round. And I guess they named this mix Ocean because of these beautiful colors. We have the sapphire blue again, and we have this gorgeous turquoisey color. And then we have a green color here and a pink one. How lovely is that? I love having a bead collection with multiple colors. It's one of my favorite things ever. But anyway, there's a total of 16 pieces there. Let's take a look at these interesting lampwork beads. These are puffed coin beads, and the colors are blue zircon and lavender amethyst. They do remind me of something that you might find at the bottom of the ocean, and I don't know if it's because of what I'm seeing inside that glass. It looks like some kind of creature in there. I love it. Let me shine a light behind these beads. That blue color is so beautiful, guys. Look at that. Look how gorgeous that blue color is. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. It's very, very pretty. It's a very rich color. Let's take a look at these. These are very interesting looking. They look like little paddles, but they're actually called bill brios. Each one of them measures 8 by 17.5 millimeters, and there's a total of 8. And this is another beautiful mix of colors. It's called the Underwater Glow Mix. And what an interesting shape this is. It's really interesting. I guess when they say bill, they're referring to the bill of a duck, maybe? I don't know. But they're very nice. We have blue ones, we have green ones, and some have a little bit of purple as well. And I love this one here. It's kind of pink with gold. So beautiful, guys. Let me get some more beads. Here are the next 3 items. I love these little turtles. They're so adorable. Let's take a look at these rounds. And here are 8 of them. We get a total of 30. These are Druck rounds, and they measure 6 millimeters, and the color is green opal. And who doesn't need 6 millimeter rounds? I love using that size, I really do. And I would say this is more like a greenish bluish color, like a very pale turquoise maybe. It's very pretty. Let's take a look at these turtles. Aren't these adorable? These are so cute. They're Czech glass turtle beads, and there are 2 colors. One is a clear crystal with an AB finish, and the other one is green with white silk. And if you look closely, there's the white silk inside that bead. I'm not sure if you can see that. It's a little section of opaque glass inside that bead. And this is the top of the turtle. Let me show you the bottom. The bottom is flat. They measure 14 by 18.5 millimeters, and there are 6 total. And these colors actually match these beads perfectly. Let's take a look at them. And here are 6 of them. This green color is actually a little bit lighter than that one, but it's the same shade of green. They're actually called leaf beads. And once again, there are 2 colors, crystal with AB finish and peridot with amber. They measure 8 millimeters in size, and there are 20 total. It's a very interesting leaf shape. I don't think I've seen this leaf shape before. Very cool. I would definitely use these 2 together. Let me bring out the last couple of items. Here are the last few items. We have some seed beads, and we have this beautiful collection of a pendant and some charms. It's called the Under the Sea collection, and it's made in Greece. Let's take a look at this pendant. It measures 23 by 41 millimeters, and it's the same on both sides, as you can see. I love using seahorses in ocean-themed jewelry. Let's take a look at these charms now. We have some starfish charms, and we have some spire shell charms. The starfish charms measure 17 by 21.5 millimeters, and the spire shell charms measure 4 by 16 millimeters. Let me show you the back. There's the back. I like that they have big loops. Whenever I see loops like that, I'm tempted to use leather cord. What a nice collection. And here we have some seed beads, size 11/0, and these are Toho rounds. And this is a 2.5-inch tube or 8 grams worth. The color of these beads is crystal and they're silver lined. I like to use seed beads as spaces between beads along a strand. That's one of my favorite ways to separate beads. Let me bring out the entire collection now. Well, here's the entire collection. And if this doesn't get your creative juices flowing, I don't know what will. This is an absolutely amazing, fabulous collection. It's a dazzling array of beautiful shapes, sizes, and finishes. And we have a vibrant spectrum of hues ranging from the reds to the pinks to the blues. I don't know what else to say other than this is an exquisite collection of beads. It's going to be super easy to come up with something creative and eye-catching. So I want you to come back and check my channel for future tutorials. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Let me go ahead and put these beads away and I'll come back and say goodbye. Sam's Bead Box never disappoints. It's always so beautiful. I love their collections, I really do. Sam and Rachel do such a wonderful job every single month. And I know I made a big deal about the colors in that box, but I just love colorful beads, I really do. And I can't wait to sit down and play with those beads and see what I can come up with. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for joining me today. I'm looking forward to seeing you again. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.